Terry with DCD Drain Cables Direct. Today we're going to show you how to swap the clutch out on a VALOR. So you can, these thumb screws up here, release thumb screws, pop that latch assembly, and just take a firm hold, pull straight, it'll pop out free from the clutch. On the back you'll have a retaining ring here on the front. Retaining ring pliers you can pick up from Lowe's, Home Depot, anywhere you want to go shop, pick them up. Squeeze, pull that retaining ring out, and this clutch is going to pop right out. So to get your new clutch, put it on here. Lines up with the drive studs. If it doesn't line up with the drive studs, immediately this walks, because it's a clutch plate here, a clutch plate here that's supposed to slip. So in shipping or whatnot, if it doesn't exactly line up, you can actually hit it the way direction you want it to go and adjust that so that this slides back and forth where it's supposed to go to line up with these this drive studs. So pop it on there, it's in place, firmly seated. You never want to reuse a retaining ring, so you get a new retaining ring. And don't squeeze too much, squeeze just enough to get it over this post. And then you will feel it and hear it pop into place just like that, seated firmly on there.